Apotus may be one of the clearest windows we have into the science of moon formation. Its starkly split appearance, dramatic surface features, and orbiting behavior hint at a violent and complex origin. Scientists have proposed several theories for how moons like Apotus could come into existence. One widely accepted model is giant impact theory, where a massive object collides with a planet or protoplanet, ejecting debris into orbit. Over time, this debris coalesces, cools, and forms a moon. In Apotus' case, the possibility of such an impact is supported by its physical asymmetry. One hemisphere, the dark, scarred side, shows signs of intense bombardment and geological trauma. The bright side appears relatively pristine, as if it had formed from the outer layer of a different frozen body. Could Apotus be a hybrid of two celestial objects? Another theory involves gravitational capture. In this model, a passing object gets caught in a planet's gravitational field and becomes a moon. If Apotus originated from a distant region rich in ices and organics, that could explain its reflective side. The dark side may have been altered by space weathering after being pulled into orbit. Then there's co-formation theory, where a moon forms alongside its planet from the same disk of dust and gas. This is common for gas giants and their regular moons. However, Apotus's odd duality makes this explanation less likely, unless dramatic changes occurred later due to tidal heating or radiation damage. Whichever theory is true, Apotus provides an exceptional test case. Its mountain belt could be the scar of a massive merger. Its rotation may have been altered post-formation, and the split in albedo suggests different materials and temperatures during its birth. Adding complexity is the fact that Apotus exists in a region of space where solar radiation is intense. Cosmic rays may have stripped away volatile compounds from one hemisphere while leaving the other intact. This uneven radiation exposure would further exaggerate the moon's already divided identity. These factors, impacts, gravitational dynamics, radiation, and material composition, all combine to tell the tale of a moon that formed under extreme conditions. It's a narrative not just about one celestial body, but about the millions of moons that could exist across the universe. With the help of next-generation space telescopes and lunar probes, we are beginning to see these worlds not just as satellites, but as historical archives of cosmic violence, stability, and evolution. In Segment 4, we'll examine how Apotus compares to other moons, our own included, and what secrets might be hidden beneath its surface. Could this moon harbor subsurface oceans or volcanic remnants? Could it hint at past habitability? The deeper we look, the stranger it gets.